Have you ever wondered why two people can start in the same place with the same opportunities, but end up in completely different realities? One becomes successful. The other stays stuck. One grows. The other repeats the same life year after year. Is it luck? Is it talent? Or is there something deeper happening inside the mind? Today, we're going to explore the hidden psychology behind success, the mental patterns, habits, and invisible forces that shape your results long before you even take action. Stay with me until the end, because once you understand this, your life will never be the same again. Whether we know it or not, every one of us is following an invisible script. This script is made of our beliefs, fears, assumptions, and past experiences. Some people have a script that says, I can learn anything. I can improve. I can figure it out. Others have a script that says, I'm not good enough. Success is for other people. Things never work out for me. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because their mind convinces them not to try or not to continue. Your mindset is not just a way of thinking. It is a filter that determines what you believe is possible and what you believe is not. Change the filter, and your entire life changes with it. There is a reason why most people set goals but never follow through. It's because their goals don't match their identity. If a person wants to get fit, but deep down believes, I'm not disciplined, their actions will always return to that identity. If someone wants to be successful, but deep down believes, I always fail, their brain will sabotage progress every step of the way. Why? Because your identity always wins against your goals. This is why successful people don't just change their habits, they change how they see themselves. They shift from, I want success, to, I am the kind of person who creates success. That is where real transformation begins. Most people overestimate what they can do in a week, but underestimate what they can do in a year. Success is not built in huge leaps. It's built through micro-progress, 1% improvement a day. A small habit repeated daily, a tiny action that compounds over time. If you improve just 1% every day for a year, you don't become twice as good. You become 37 times better. This is the mathematics of consistency. It's not motivational talk. It's simple exponential growth. The problem is, most people quit long before the results show up. Winners don't. They understand the compound effect. They trust the process long before the reward appears. Success is not only logical, it is emotional. People don't avoid taking action because they're lazy. They avoid it because they fear failure, judgment, discomfort, uncertainty, rejection. Your brain is designed to keep you safe, not successful. It wants comfort, predictability, and familiarity. But success requires discomfort, risk, and growth. So the battle is not between you and the world. The real battle is between you and your emotions. Successful people feel the same fear, but they move anyway. They've trained their mind to act before emotions take control. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is action despite fear. Let's be honest, most people don't lack opportunity. They lack psychological momentum. They start, stop, start again, stop again, never building enough momentum to break through. The three biggest traps are overthinking, waiting for motivation, perfectionism. Perfectionism kills more dreams than failure ever will. Winners don't wait to be ready. They start messy, improve fast, and grow through action. If you want consistent success, you need an operating system, not random motivation. Here is the formula. 1. Clear direction. Your mind needs to know what you're aiming for. 2. Daily discipline. Small actions repeated long enough create irreversible growth. 3. Environment design. Your environment must support your goals, not fight them. 4. Emotional control. You must manage fear, doubt, and stress, not let them manage you. 5. Identity shift. Your actions must match the person you want to become. This is the psychology high performers live by. It's not magic, it's structure. The truth is simple. Success isn't something you chase. It's something you create through your mindset, your habits, and your identity. You are not stuck because you lack potential. You are stuck because you're repeating the same mental script. Rewrite the script, and you rewrite your life. If you're ready to grow, ready to think differently, and ready to become the person you were meant to be, then subscribe to this channel and join us on this journey of transformation. This is Mind to Market, where ideas become reality and where your new beginning starts today.